I grew up on a corn and soybean farm, so I've always been farming one way or another, but I had a sense growing up I wanted to try other types of crops. So when I was in high school at 16 or 17, I started my first CSA. Sold to 10 customers, family and friends, and I guess I just never quit. Ben Hartman's my name. I'm the author of The Lean Farm, and my wife Rachel and I operate Clay Bottom Farm here in Goshen, Indiana. We're a 1/3 acre farm, just 15,000 square feet in production that we make our living off of. All of our food sells within 1.5 miles of the farm. We have a commitment to being a very local farm, and all of our fertility inputs in the form of leaves that we make compost out of, those come from within 1.5 miles of the farm too. And we're a 4-season farm. We have greens that we sell all year. We add tomatoes and peppers and everything in between during the summer months. A couple other things that are unique about us is that we are a no-till operation, trying to operate as much as possible from solar panels and electric tools. And so that's why we're excited about the e-ox. It filled a gap for us in some tillage, and especially with rotating crops. I keep one bed that is in-field compost. We're going to feed the next crop that's in this, it's going to go into this bed here. It's a wheel hoe on steroids, and it's a gentle walk-behind tiller. The e-ox replaced our manual wheel hoe for a lot of operations, and it also replaced our gas-powered tiller for some what I call gentle tillage that the e-ox is able to do. And so with pathway maintenance, and we use the e-ox and to slice underneath crops, or greens especially when they're finished, to help us remove them and quickly transition to another crop. It's a process we had been doing with the wheel hoe. 2 people on a wheel hoe, we'd have ropes out in front of the wheel hoe, one pulling the ox and another person pushing or guiding the wheel hoe. But with this tool, one person can handle that task. And then also it's for bed preparation. Instead of tilling or broad forking, if we go deep with this tool with the proper implements, then what it does is gently lifts the soil. And so it's very gentle, there's no soil inversion, and for most of our crops that's loose enough. Ahead of carrots and some other root crops, we might broad fork or go a little deeper than that, but for the rest of our crops, this does probably 80% or more of our soil preparation.